Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to pan fry these lovely trout fillets. I'm going to serve it with peas, sautéed asparagus, some nice mashed potato and some lemon juice sauce. And let's see how we get on. Firstly, I have some butter and olive oil heating on my pan. My butter and oil is getting nice and frothy, so I'm going to pop in my trout fillets skin side down to start with. I'm going to cook them on the skin side for 2 minutes and then flip them over and cook for 1 more minute before I add in some garlic and lemon. Now there, I've flipped the first one. Looking quite delicious and smelling that way too. So I'm going to cook now for 1 minute here and then I'm going to add in some of my garlic, some parsley and some lemon juice. Oh, the smell is killing me. It's absolutely delicious. I better just do with a nice slug of coffee. So I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of my garlic. And a few drops of lemon juice. Don't forget the parsley. And then another minute on the pan. They should be beautifully done. Just try to make sure they don't stick to the pan. Very nice. So beautiful. Now, there we have our beautiful pan fried. Next 2 trout on the pan. They've had 2 minutes, so I'm going to flip them over and see how we're getting on. Delicious. 1 minute, then add the garlic, lemon juice and parsley again. And then 1 more minute after that. And these 2 are ready to take off the pan. They've had a total of about 4 minutes altogether. 2 minutes on each side. And there we have it, our lovely trout, pan fried with a lemon, garlic and parsley sauce. Hope you have a go at this. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. God bless this food. God bless you. Bye.